Besides the products and collections, it's also important, of course, to be able to offer discounts. For example, if you have abandoned shopping carts, to be able to give the customer a discount on the total purchase, and it is easily set up within this tab. To create a discount or a discount coupon, you can go to the top right corner and press the button Create Discount. From here, you can either input your own discount code, or you can generate a code by going towards the Generate Code button, as you can see here. On the types, we have a few different types. We can go with a percentage discount, like a 25% discount. We can go with a fixed amount, which will be any amount that you would like to, like $25. Or you can also bring in a discount for free shipping. That means free shipping on the entire order. If we go back to the discount percentage, for example, we can also apply it to either entire order or only specific collections, like the ones that we created in a previous video. We can also set up the minimum requirements. So the minimum purchase amount could be that it must be set to $75 to be able to come into consideration for the 25% discount. You can also set it to the minimum quantity of items. For example, if they purchase 5 different kinds of items, they will get a 25% discount in this case. You can also set up the usage limits. So you can either limit the number of times this discount can be used in total, or you can limit it to 1 use per customer. Lastly, you can also set up the active dates. So for example, if you want to have a coupon discount for Valentine's Day, you could set it up, for example, the 1st of February up till the 14th of February. Press OK, and now you will have your active dates implemented. On the top right corner, you will see your summary overview of your entire created discount. And if you're okay with this, you can just press save, and your discount overview of the code, the status, and the usage will be shown in the discounts overview. In this case, because we scheduled the discount, it will be scheduled towards being active on the 1st of February of 2022.